Spring cleaning is right around the corner. So Abby, how do we do it?
Okay, so these are blue mealy sages, or mealy blue sage. These guys, they were not protected this winter. They were just let to go to their stick garden habits. The only thing we did was we piled up leaves and pine needles around the base. And that helps keeps the roots warm. So now we can kind of start pulling away the pine needles and the leaves. Yep, just
From
like
the
that.
Base.
Yep, and that's gonna help the soil warm up and get your plant started sooner, right? But that was just so that he is protected by the roots. So it's always good to leave your leaves down. Perfect.
Okay, all right.
Perfect. And then we need to kind of trim off a couple of these dead or weak stems.
At the intersection or above
Yeah,
it?
I pin it there. Yep.
Okay.
Because you see that little green sprig?
Yep, leave him alone.
He's happy and alive. So let's
Yeah.
just cut off the dead guys like this one.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
And he's just
Oh yeah, and so if
coming
you
off.
can snap him, he's definitely dead.
Yep, he's definitely.
There you go.
And then look, I do see green on the inside where I cut it off.
That's
So
right.
That guy, he's going to grow back.
He is going to grow back. So that's part of the scratch test. If you take something and you want to know if it's alive, you scratch it hard. If it scratches any other color than green, that's scratching brown. It's dead.
Popping. Yeah, it's
and he's
like,
popping,
yeah.
right? He's popping, he's dead.
Okay, so now this one comes all the way down here.
Yep.
That's coming off. But so
that's called a cross branch, and that's going to have actual, so you want to take the cross branch because it will, there we go. It will actually create root rot or create a moist environment with the sticks rubbing against each other.
So should I cut it low or
Cut it low.
Okay, I'm going to cut this one all the way at the bottom.
Yes.
Like underneath.
Like there. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
All right, you're gone, buddy.
There you go.
Okay.
Perfect. And so that gives all this more room and airflow for the new shoots to come up.
Okay. And that's for when I walk around my garden and I see the plants that still have the leaves on them. I should do the clearing and I should trim where the dead
Little
branches,
twigs are.
the little twigs are. But I need to check up on there because you showed me some growth on one that I was about to cut off. So save those guys.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
so
great.
that's it for these guys.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.